travel itinerary archipelago of San Andres and Providence. San Andres and Providencia. The archipelago of San Andres, Providencia on Santa Catalina is a small Colombia island located in the Caribbean Sea. Excellent place to go on vacation. Its beaches and nearby keys will allow you to enjoy its marine diversity. Map of San Andres and Providencia. Five reasons to visit San Andres. Weather, activity, transparent water, colorful fish, coral reefs, and the war of the Simai, San Andres, and Paradise. La Loma neighborhood, traditional architecture, stroll through La Loma, the oldest neighborhood. Excellent gastronomy, exquisite, varied the flavors. Cay Aquarium and under Keys, located 15 San Andres, other tranquilly water sports, handicrafts, artistic works of wood, silver, and much more. Package to cost. The cost the vial includes tours package for two people for 3 days and 2 nights. Round trip price accommodate for 3,729,103 pesos, with at 15 discount for this weekend applies with reservation. Thank you.